You asked for it. 5 wigs in 5 minutes, all short styles. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today, 5 wigs in 5 minutes. Now, we're not going to start that 5-minute clock until we actually start showing the wigs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is how this little video works. Every once in a while, I'll do a video where I show a few wigs in a very short amount of time. Now, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you see one of these wigs that you'd like to know more about, if you want to see a full video on it, showing the inside of the cap, color, discussion, fit, all the things, all you need to do is go to the search bar of my channel, type in the name of the wig, and the full review will pop up. This is just a fun, short get together where we chat about a few wigs. So let's get started and look at 5 wigs in 5 minutes. All right, let's start out. John Renault Ignite Toffee Truffle. Now y'all know this is one of my all-time favorite wigs. I own it in 6 colors. That's how much I like it. I think it's a classic. I hope they never stop making it. It's available in a ton of colors. Y'all, I think Raquel Welch just hit a home run with Curated cut, and my color is Shaded Biscuit. I love the neckline of this. I love the wave of this. It has this little wispy bang. This is such a cute wig. Again, comes in a variety of colors. If you haven't looked at this one, give this one a try. If you love short wigs like I do, so many different ways to style it. This is just a beautiful bestseller. Y'all, I get so many requests to show this wig, and I think this does not get enough love. This is Ellen Villa Like Mono in Sand Multi-Rooted. Now, if you've watched me for any length of time, you know I'm not a fan of fixed hair. I like the way that you can really just mess this up and wear this really just fun and carefree. I like that it has kind of a little swoop on this side. I don't know, I just like messy hair, and I think this little wig has just the right length. It's a really nice length, and the density is nice on this. Everything's nice about it. I have a lot of requests for it, so I just wanted to make sure we included it in this roundup. Now, if you're a fan of the Raquel Welch styles that have all the bells and whistles, hand-tied cap, extended lace front, mono top, then you already are familiar with Raquel Welch Ready for Takeoff and Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. I know I've shown you this wig and in 3 or 4 different colors. What I really like about this one also is that it has a little longer nape here. So if you have hair that grows down on your neck, this is a really good wig. It has good coverage on the nape. It has this slight wave, lots of styling options here. You can sweep it all over to the side if you want. You can part it down the middle. You can change it. You can wear it off your face. It is a winner. Another hand-tied cap. I love this wig. This is John Renault Ava, and it is Toffee Truffle. Y'all, this has been super popular. This is gorgeous. Look how fun this style is with this long sweeping bang, this color, Toffee Truffle. Love it. This is a true throw on and go style. Look how beautiful the lace front is on this. They hit a home run with Ava. I think it's so pretty. I've ordered it in another color. I will show it to you as soon as I get it, but this is another beautiful style from John Renault. All right, guys, I bet we got pretty close to 5 minutes on that. I hope you enjoyed this. This is so fun for me to show you just a few styles in a very short amount of time. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some messages. Let me know which of these are your favorite. Have you tried any of these? And what is your favorite short style? Thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon.